Voila.
Security, please stop that guy.
Stop that guy.
What has he done?
What's inside your bag? Let me check you.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
What's inside your bag? I want to check it.
You young man, give them your bag. Let them check it now. He's doing his job.
Old man, which kind of what talk with that one? That's why you people be shooking mouth for matter when you're concerned now. Come on for here.
Nah, it's okay. It's not my business. Security, do your job. Do your job.
Manager, this is an embarrassment to my personality. Next time, no lodge for Twins Villa again. Guys, if any of you are interested to lodge for Twins Villa, it's located in Shongo Tedo Majek, Select bus stop. As for me, I will never again. Security, can I go?
No, Allah, drop your bag first, me then search out. Security, search the bag.
God have mercy upon us.
I said it.
Come, snap a picture. Oh, yeah, hold on.
Yeah, take one on. Come on, snap on.
You don't snap?
Yes.
Post on.
So Aliko able na thief. So this Aliko what even they crush on a thief safe.
Jesus!
No, just pose it.
Time watch.
So ever since when they do video, too they don't see my video post. Small thief when I say me I go thief tell it for hotel. Now you call they post my video up and down. Don't worry. Since you say now you get to go there pass, you want to disgrace me for this internet.
Are you gay?
If they tell me say now you do this kind of thing to me, I don't believe.
Baba beg, even
Baba,
if
let's
3
see
minutes,
my
me I just perform my best song. May they just feel me. I just want me they see me. I beg.
See, industry cool or not, even if I give it 3 minutes now, no space for backstage again. See, now that is with this. Every year don't choke.
And this one,
Baba, go sit down anywhere. If you go day back of regular self, just give me 3 minutes. I beg, respect.
Okay, no problem, no wahala, just go.
Thank you, respect. I give DJ my song, respect.
No wahala,
let's see your talent.
Cinema industry cool or not, not be do to take covers. Any Asha, time don't show won't call you come stage.
How far, stage manager? If you want me to perform, you clear all those upcoming artists for backstage. You hear me? Clear the backstage. My babe, they come.
And this is practice makes perfect from Kere. Let's see what he's up to with his training and practice.
God have mercy upon us.
Let's go.
You can't tell me this is why you have been training all this while. Practicing nonsense. Just to steal somebody else's baby. Ah, no now.
Welcome to Occasional Ugochukwu Superstore, home of quality designers, clothes and cloth accessories. We are here 247, no sleep, no leave and no transfer.
So premium okay. Wash and wear, they dry for body.
Why are you so desperate?
Customer happy and so they do. Come now, here you they come. Customer, is your go? Come, Modogu, come. Oga, what you dey plan?
What do you mean that they plan?
Anything where you dey go for now. This one now, if you dey go for governorship, now this one you go where? If na local government chairman, now see I'm here. If na park chairman, what you dey wait for? Now the polo be this now. See na your side. Na your size.
Okay, now designer me I define.
Now him be okay, brother. Now designers be this. If you wear,
This hanger hang me oh.
now just buy me market. Now my first customer, buy me market one day.
I know one talking. A designer I want. Okay, let me see what you have, please.
Okay, welcome. What did I tell you? I tell you, say your clothes no be for this generation. Your clothes is not for Gen Z. Your clothes is for Gen A. I go off that gen. Okay, deal with me.
I want Gucci.
Aye, Gucci. Okay, I no get Gucci, but I get Fendi.
Okay, now Gucci me I want. I don't want Fendi.
Okay, listen to me, oh. Gucci and Fendi, be very close.
Close. How?
They are very close,
There
very
must be
similar.
a way to package it.
No problem.
To make sure
Nothing
it's
will happen eh? I'll come back for this clothes. My reach front, my buy something. They come eh?
What you want buy?
I won't buy fleets.
Why?
Oh, my brother. My area a mosquito. The warriors waiting no good. Thing don't bite everybody. Give everybody better malaria.
Okay, fella, watch my shop. I can get my next shop. Go give you plate.
No, Oga, take this one. You go like him now. You feel even use them as parachute if you fly plane one crash. Now you go land like this.
So, okay, you go take this one 2 for morning. This one 2 for afternoon. This one 2 for night.
Okay, what be this one now? What is this?
Okay, what do you say 1 buy?
I said 1 buy fleet.
To do waiting.
Talking mosquito.
Wetin mosquito dey cause?
Malaria.
Wetin be this?
Malaria medicine.
Okay, malaria medicine and fleet be very close. Are you the? Bros. What did they find now?
I define electronic shop. I want buy Samsung TV.
Oga, get TV for my next shop, but na LG.
No, na Samsung I need.
Oga, Samsung TV and LG TV be very close.
Yeah. I must sell business by all means. Please don't go and try that. We just faint. Too much work by you. Indian movie pregnancy. This is from Funny Bros. The Pretty Man.
Hey! God have mercy.
My wife.
Your wife? You told me you're single. You lied to me.
My wife.
You lied to me. My daughter. She must be in level.
Funny Bros. Who do Funny Bros?
Loud high pass colo.
Olha grudate. Send them to Nigeria. But why? There are Indians that are based in Nigeria too. So why you bother? That's it. One man begin. Oh, not too much. Get water.
Don't tell me you are still running to meet your wife that needs help. Since
Thank you.
Think say they why?
Since that people buy us. This is crazy, like very crazy for Funny Bros. Look at someone. I don't know why. Kneel down. Just kneel down again.
It's not good to brag. Loud high pass colo.
Sorry.
And his wife is pregnant.
No, you please.
Actually, I'm going to marry you.
Ojogo, please.
Yo, what's good?
You bless
I was
God.
confused.
How about the money? Like,
Now, wow.
Shimano, I promised to refund you. Me and you know, never borrow me money before.
The hair I got the last time now, I used my last card to buy it, and you said you would refund me.
If I use the last card to buy hair. Me and you know the situation of things now. For the past 6 months, I never cash out. Jesus. I even go back to my house because me and my landlord get house rent issue. But me, I can't lab it to my mind. Make I see now the least food the chop.
I'm not going anywhere if you're not giving me the money. Okay.
I don't see you.
My bro, when I give up on this gender, when me meet my babe, we are not draws in Naka, Yonyanaka, Combo them Naka, and Netiriaka, Yonapo Naka, Kesau Naka, boy once again Yanamaka. I shock. Baby, can say no go deliver your boyfriend in conjugal rights.
I'm not giving you anything. You refund me the money.
Come they go now. Come up from my house. Come they go. Stand up. Come up from here.
Abba Mujaga.
They play. Who likes all these girls?
I just book all of them for you now.
It's not too much.
Now to use let you know say you no supposed to settle for less. Banish choke.
Everywhere, man. Banish choke like this, Sarah. Only one girl want to use me the wine. Why now?
For the Bible made it clear that your body is the temple of God, and you must keep it holy at all costs.
Must the shirt turn to black? Must the devil be black?
Holy gorgeous. What a beauty. Listen, let me tell you. Your body has no connection with the spirit. So therefore, you can do whatever you want to do with your body. The Bible made it clear. In Matthew chapter 6, verse 6, it says that, but when we pray, we should go inside our room and lock the door. Holy gorgeous.
Back.
Rise, that we may go inside the room and pray to our Father. Rise. Up.
Father.
Father, I don't know much, but I think this is against the doctrine of our church. I mean, you listen, let me tell you. I am a father. Yes. I obtained my master's in divinity in Rome. And you are just a catechist. You can't tell me what to do. I can't tell you. I'm under you. But what I'm saying, Bible is Bible. Bible cannot be turned upside down. And I can understand. He that is in me now is greater than he that is in you. He that is in you is very, very honey. He that is in you is a shawu. He that is in you is against our church. He that is in you will pack out of this parish. Leave. Our parish is under attack. Leave. Run. Do not ever interfere with my affairs. You cannot have an affair. It's not fair. Dominus ut imperium. In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti. Exit.
What's that? Just tell me what's that? Must the devil wear black clothes?
Cut you, why am I on the floor?
Must the saint wear white clothes?
What happened?
This is the kind of wrong impression that they have been giving us, especially in Hollywood.
Power left you while you were delivering that girl. I guess an evil spirit, colored you. But thank God, I forged a crucifix, and by the power of Holy Ghost, you were redeemed. I think I know what happened. What happened, Father? I started admiring the things of the world. I neglected my spiritual and prayerful life. I have to go back to my roots. Because a prayerless Christian is a powerless Christian.
That's true.
Kasi, thank you so much. Thank you for standing by me. If it were others, they would have taken out their phone. I began to make videos to create gossip online. Thank you. I must retreat to the chapel. Bless you, Father. I must retreat. Wait a minute.
That was educated.
I
love that. But the impression of them wearing black, angel wearing white, it has to stop. What's going on here?
Well, Jimmy fitting in Kuala
Mama. Quick mother.
You can't knock. You want to see me.
What Jimmy? My daughter is calling you. I'm ready for you. The man is ready. Come and take action. You don't want?
And the man is just looking at you.
Are you done? Bend down, make a knock.
Are you done? Clap, make a knock. Oh my God. This one and Nyash make can come this training. Nothingness. Nothingness.
I don't want peace. I want problems always. What be this? What be this? What be this? Jesus.
Why? Are you here because of bonbon? Because of backside? Whoa. Let's see this one.
Hello, baby.
Hey, baby. Yeah, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good. I was thinking we could just go out, maybe have drinks, sit out, and just chill.
Oh, my tummy hurts so bad. Can we do this next week when I feel much better?
Now that you're not here, I don't even know what to do with my life. You know, without you, I don't know how to function. I'll be so lonely. I'll be so bored.
I'm sorry, my love. Don't worry, next week, I promise you, when I feel much better.
Next week.
Bye, love you.
I love you too.
Yes, baby.
It's not changed.
Let me freshen up.
The party have started now.
10 minutes, baby.
Please be fast.
Yes, baby.
Hey.
Yes, baby.
Are you ready for dinner?
I've been waiting for you now since.
Oh, let's go.
Let's go.
Whenever you say man, whenever you say still talk say man.
They don't go into it. Now we have to go.
So, see, I beg. You get where I want to collect my money for back. I beg. I just need an help. Mona just stay with me. I beg my friend. Threaten them, just take my money.
You look like fighter.
No, I'm not a violent guy. I'm not a violent guy. I just need. You understand? Let the CC men deal with me.
Okay.
If you collect the money, the boy they stress me.
Who are the men?
For men, you know the men gas chop.
See, that won't be issue. I'll give you 10%.
So this money now, how much we talk about?
1 million.
100K.
What?
You can't just say in there, man.
And they say they are not going to fight. That would be black.
Hold up.
Where my money?
Because they allow you go, don't go park boys come on.
I follow you, they talk, I will slap you.
Why you be violent? You go turn to fight.
No, be fight. Now logic. If I'm going to need that, the money. You don't understand. Right now in the fear. Just
pity for you.
What do you expect?
Where are your stupid brother? That your useless brother. Where my money?
Yes!
Run. Yeah. Lord of Jesus.
Before you go, please click on the link on my bio.
Wait.
Register with my promo code Dr. Craze.
Did he really give them
bonus on your first
their
deposit?
10%?
Then you go on the bonus page called In Pursuit.
Well,
of
agreement is
Stability.
agreement.
And then you click take
But
part. Then just place your bet.
you also collected the money now. You only collected one slab that comes there.
And you stand a chance in the
Call.
prize draw to win Apple, iPhone, PlayStation, and many other prizes. Don't forget.
Go to the next. Go to the next. Let's see the next one. This is a wildlife explorer from Agent of Laughter. A quick one, guys. I actually silenced this music because of copyright claim. You know, I really did not silence it, but I just have to manipulate the sound, the sound effect. Also, I'm trying to avoid copyright claim, so I believe you enjoy it and understand what I'm trying to say. Yeah, enjoy. This man and demons. I don't know, Agent of Laughter. What happened? like you and witches, you and marine, you and demons, you and the balawo, you and any kind of spiritual power you guys have implemented. I'm like, I don't know. Just of laughter, saying what is the matter between him and these witches and wizards. Let's go. This one's from nature. Casey Nation. Yeah. Let's go. Play me that music. Yeah. Chief.
Let's have it.
Chief.
You go clear.
That's the real owner of the vehicle on the phone.
Don't break my door, because one name working. So I carry dumbbell up and down.
Come on, bro. I'm just coming back from the gym, and I said today I'm gonna show you something that will interest you. You know, the last time you and your wife brought some Gen Z and town halls for me to marry, bro. So today I found my missing rib.
Oh, you can have a seat. Chai, what on? Oh, my brother, this one's SABI cook. You know, say the last time you carry come, no SABI cook.
Man, she's a chef.
Make sure you go prepare breakfast for us. I make my job breakfast now.
Hey, yo, mama, go into the kitchen and make us some breakfast, man. Hey, baby. Go to your right and go to your left.
She knows how to, because all the one
can just borrow some money. Just buy Z-Make.
Keep asking me for pounds. I've got an update for you, bro.
What's the update?
The update is Betano. Betano is a betting platform, and if you want to register with Betano, you can download the app from Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. Using my promo code SLIM30, you're gonna get up to 200,000 bonus you can use to place a bet, bro.
Really, bro?
Give me your card, let me show you something. You can also win massive goodies like free bet, free spin, golden chips, smart watches, iPhone 15 and PS5, and even 43-inch TV. You're gonna visit their page on a daily. That's what they call Lucky Win promotional page.
I just don't know what
once a day gonna hold you. Play to stand a chance to win. Play to stand a chance to win. Come on. Put me or this in the register on Betano. Come on, I'm hungry, bro. Hey, yo, wifey.
We tell you. Let our register.
You gonna register him.
He's ready.
Hey, yeah, I thought you sense nice. What's this?
It's custard.
No, this is your wife.
Indeed, man.
Very nice. They talk about.
But she's good, bro.
Photo.
Hey!
Hey!
Be fine. Custard tea, madam. Which one?
Hey! What is wrong here?
Hey, I want him. I'm sorry, bro.
Babe, what's wrong with the pub? Okay, babe, if you cannot use plain, you can use straw.
Baby, just relax. I deal with the buyer. And I promise you, just give me 20 minutes. Once I don't sell the land, I don't consult this problem. I don't want you to panic. I will do anything for your love. you can say that again.
Please.
Asalugo, relax. I will please you. Just give me 20 minutes. Let me sell this remaining land will remain and sort your problem. Hey, my brother.
Like what I tell you before, I know the life problem for my life. I'm a man of peace and wisdom. This land, they come from my mind say you want sell land. I know is the last comment of a fool. Because the reason why you want sell this land is very, very ridiculous. I'm a financial expert. And from the look of things, I feel they tell where your future they go. The spirit of regret and what I just see in you. At the end of the last comment of a fool. I know what made that to be your portion. And the reason why they ask you this question for the last time. You go sell this land, but you not go sell the land.
But if you not come from, what make me give you document?
Yes or no? This land come from your mind.
I want sell them now.
Okay.
I don't need this your advice. Your advice can I put for my OP?
Mark, my advice for your OP.
Yes.
Don't worry. When you go regret your life that time, I go just look you, they laugh. Don't worry. You go regret.
I no go regret.
You they sell land because of woman guy.
I no go regret them.
No wahala, no
because
wahala.
Bible talk and say, he who find love, find a good thing and also obtain favor. If I do this thing for her now, you know the kind of blessing what I go receive from God?
I pity you. See what they come from the mouth of an old man. How much you want to sell and tell me make a buy, they come up for you, observe the document, guy. How much you want to say?
Option price. 12 million, just give me 12 million.
You want to sell land for me 12 million naira and you didn't problem. You need the money, but you don't need the money.
Now 2 plots.
This man give 1.5.
Hey! You want to sell the land, you don't want to sell. Which one land you come for 12 million naira again? Mark you 1.5 for this land now.
The most foolish person who I know. I tell you price. I tell you land 12 million. The price at 1.5.
Listen to me. My the kite is what you tell me, guy. I not be your mate, oh. I not be your mate. I'm a titled man. My the kite way they come. If not, I go show you the other side of me. You know, you come here, we walk away from here.
No. You know this to panic. No verse. No man. No verse. Don't worry. Calm down. Now me be the foolish person. You are the wise person. Just give me. Now me need money. I don't blame you for this is what they do now. And I mean need money now. Why they do me like this? Listen, I be your follow man. When I buy here, that time I newly pick.
How much you go do Allah?
I buy here 9 million. You want me to sell for you 1.5? And again, I bet they lose.
Now this stress you are a problem. You need money to solve your problem.
They talk like this.
For your pocket, I not really send you for here.
Okay, more do 3 million. I beg.
I don't want to argue. I just want to help you so you can go and solve your problem. Let me give you 2 million naira. I'll give you 1.5 now. Then 3 days from now, I balance up. Deal or no deal?
3 days.
Yes. Deal or no deal?
Deal, my brother. He said the money complete.
Wait now. I go wound you, guy. Sure? Why you dey hurry for money like this? I never even observe where the boundary of the land.
Now from
Sure?
From that edge. I beg.
Where your blood dey hurt because of woman?
Go dig beacon for there. And now 2 plots from here
go.
to that place. Nine be the land. Bring the money now. You don't carry money. They go.
Why you dey hurry for this? I never check the boundary of the land. You come. Your blood to the hurt. Which problem with this one now?
Gege, don't scam this guy.
My the guy this way they do. I go wound you. Why you dey hurry for money? Now why you not go film maker for life? So look at.
Sorry. See from there now to there now be the boundary. You can go and dig and check.
See I'm now.
Okay. I'll go confirm am for us.
Anything we concern this land, you are not there again.
No, I don't give you document now.
You are not there this land again.
The 1.5 complete.
Yes, look and where.
It's okay. When I reach house, I go cross check am.
All right. You can go.
No.
What I fit tell you be that.
No.
All right. Thank you so much. Nice doing business with you. All right. You understand? Take. Bigger for this place. See the way that they misbehave. No financial IQ. Don't make money, you lavish money anyhow because you want to place people on social media.
You want to go drink a soup?
Yeah. Jesus. Wait. Jesus Christ. Bro, now you be this.
Oh my land.
Jesus. Hey. God, I'm grateful. Bro, now this guy don't even know what he don't miss like this.
Okay. You don't turn your money.
I don't make her for life.
Wait.
Who be that one?
No, not the same again.
More than wait, I beg.
Guy, they go now. What you they do for you again?
You get I just the yes.
I'll just pretend as if I
don't want to sleep for you.
I dey say you see something like oil.
You do not tell them. You do not told them.
I tell you before, say this land where you they say you go regret them. You sold the land because of a woman because there's no financial IQ, no ambience at all. Then you come back now, they come claim the same land. You not get land for you again, no. I go push you. They go, don't worry, go.
No,
first, go.
Where the oil? Oil they come out too?
Guy, they go now.
I don't know, say this land carry oil as I buy them.
No.
See what thing go happen there. Calm down now. No push.
I go push you.
I don't want to sell the land again. I don't want to. Don't worry. Thank you very much for making me to discover that my land have oil.
What do you they talk? You not get land for you again, okay?
Okay. May I remove the other leg?
No, never vex. I never want to show the other side of me. Take all land.
I don't need a
few minutes from now, you will know the kind of person when I be.
Hold the money.
Okay, hold this thing fast.
I don't need the money again. Waiting, I need now the.
Oga.
Relax.
Oga.
I don't want to say the land.
Oga. Now wicked man, I be like you never hear my story before. Take all land.
I said
come on for you. I beg go.
You never give me balance, so I never sell am for you.
I go balance you up. No worry. Take. Call your account number, make a transfer for you. I beg. Me, you they leave this place.
In this case, I think.
Bro, I don't want to sell the land now.
I hasn't sold it.
Carry your money. Give me the document back. I beg. Give me the document.
When I don't show you the other side of me, you don't go get mad. Take all this rubbish where they talk. All this money, we are all first. Walk out from here. I say walk out from here.
No, see what thing go happen.
Walk out from here.
See what thing go happen. I go balance you extra 500k.
No. They go.
You discover where you for land. You never say complete.
Nigerians, I beg. Between me and this man, who is the owner of this land, wanna tell me on the comment section, I beg. God bless you.
I'm buying my first car tomorrow. Bro, I tell you, sir, I go first you buy a car.
What about your house rent?
My house rent? Bro, leave that one. See, bro, I get 5 million naira. I go use 1M. pay my rent, then use the remaining 4 million, buy one sharp car for this Lagos while we use the cruise around. You know, see the green now.
Havana?
Landlord, good afternoon, sir.
Oloweko?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware?
The house rent? Let me make the payment now.
Calm down yourself. Who is asking for rent? Calm down. What's your problem? Calm down. I've increased my house rent from 1 million to 3.5 million. You understand? If you cannot pay, you do what? You pack out. What about anything? I'll send you my account number to your WhatsApp.
This one na drip for drip.
For this ninja.
If you go see $100 for this
$100. Jali baby. $100.
My brother, your story touched my heart. You convulsed my heart. But I know you touch my money.
Jali baby.
Wow, this guy is crazy, man.
What is the dollar rate now?
I think it's 1.4. But the last time we me and my babe talk, she said at 1.5. So it will be between those two.
So you're asking dollar rate?
How far now? Oh my beg, my charging port just disturb me. I know, you know why I feel repair.
Charging port? I don't sabi anybody with the repair from here. But I will talk to my babe. Hey! She suppose know 1 or 2 people with the repair phone. I'll give you feedback. And I beg, my babe, they come this night. I just want to make you give us space.
You for my house?
Nah, into the vex, I beg.
Wicked man.
Do? I beg.
That's grand.
My bro.
Nature. How far now?
Nature, I outside now.
Meet my babe.
Hello. And what's the name? Sandra. You too fine, oh.
You didn't check her now?
No, she fine. But my babe getting yash pass out. But she's like a face. You were the serious.
That's what we talk. Repeat
fine, well. I know the yash.
No say you believe Abi, this man don't click.
Bless you the grace, Abi. You go stay with your babe.
What's going on here? Let's have it.
And my babe warned me about bad friends.
The babe that I'm dating presently, she's my life, she's my everything. I love
Vanilla. Skin like milk. The girl before, now and after my heart.
Hey! Liar!
You're done eating?
Yes. Thank you very much. I really enjoyed it.
I'm going to enjoy it though. At least now let me come and enjoy my own.
What's that? Enjoy what?
Come on.
Out of me and you, what go take
What's that?
What's that?
My roots. Which kind of question be that one? No, me and you don't date online for 2 months now. They spend. Now you don't come see me. I go prepare my special. You don't enjoy finish. Now I don't reach my turn to enjoy. You tell me say you don't understand. Which kind of talk be that one?
Sorry. I think there's a mixed up somewhere. That was online. This is offline. Besides, we need to know more about ourselves. I don't even know if I'm bad character.
Madam, you bad character. You chop my money online. I go chop your pay offline. The best I go wait for you. You always meet to escape poverty. Not go wrong. Go cry.
You love Babio. I allow my Okada in your estate. I have to run from where I was.
I'm just saying, you might tell me the law.
I pẹ̀lẹ́ kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ bá mi sọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ bá mi sọ̀rọ̀.
You see, there is this girl that I've spent all my money on. I spent everything I have to make sure this girl have a better life.
That's why you call me. So what do you want me to do?
Oh, that's not all, you see, this same girl, I make sure I paid her school fees. That she's now graduated. You see, she's no longer interested in me now.
I understand. So what do you want me to do exactly?
What now is for you to help me and sue her, so that all the money I spent on her will not go in vain.
Chief, eti dàgbàjú kẹ́ máa ṣerú àwọn kìíní lọ. Last week, let's share birthday. You clock 65 years of age. Your Jotter is still in my office. You are telling me I should come and sue. How old is the girl that you are even suing?
What are you? She's just 23.
Oh my God.
She love.
She was promising me love. Promising you love at your age? And when they are investing in things that will give them guaranteed returns, like Crity. You are there talking about this thing.
Yo, which one is Crity again?
Crity is a property development company that specializes in building investment properties that will be giving you money at the end of every month without delay or excuses. You are there, you want to follow love. Can you imagine?
That's okay, by the way. But right now, I want to sue this girl. Because even last week, when I was begging her, I still sent this girl 1 million naira. But she refused, and now I am broke. I have spent all my money on her. I want to make sure that all my money that she has collected, I want it back.
This one that you said that you don't have money again. How do you intend to pay lawyer now?
The law.
I've not told that Okada to leave for. I don't know it to be another fruitless endeavor. In your late 60s, your mates are in fear of heart attack. You are talking about heartbreak. What is the correlation? You and your sisters, Baba, invest in use Crity, invest in real estate.
I will do that, but most of us.
Are you not the Lord? That is why it comes so high.
I don't want to meet you in this house. Pack your things and leave. And when my lawyer is done with the divorce papers, they will call you to go and sign your part. Rubbish.
Which house? Is it funny house? I'm leaving. You don't have managing with you yet. Oh, you think it's like the previous ones that you will do? You come and beg and I will come back. This time around, I'm leaving for good. I'm leaving your house.
Do not leave this house with any of my child. Do not live with my children. Otherwise, you will have it to contend with. Don't worry, I will give them to my mom to train them. Or by the time I marry again, I will make sure that stepmother take good care of them.
Did I come with children? I came without children and I'm living without children. Just watch me.
You go to the trust woman.
He's talking about children. I've been suffering here. Do you think there's any woman who will manage with you the way I've been managing with you? With your bad character.
7 p.m. same day. I thought you were leaving. This woman there.
What's going on here?
And you take action now. Just
Take.
have to take.
I got this for you.
I love her so much.
Your food is in the kitchen.
Huh?
So you made food for the man that you want to divorce.
Did you not buy something for the woman you want to divorce?
But you know, say you're a better person. God will bless you.
You, eh?
So you don't want to divorce?
God forbid.
Divorce, care. I'm not going anywhere. Oh. I know if I go, you will suffer. You cannot live without me now.
That's true. You are correct. Yeah, I'm hungry.
Go and eat your food, and come, let's do one.
About two. He said, come, let's do one. No, you're not going to do one, you do 3. Rubbish. There are some couples like this, honestly. There are some couples like this.
Experience the foresight of the great Ngelawe.
Good evening, Papa. Good evening, Papa. I'm not coming here to quarrel. I bring work come. You bring work come by this time of the night. Because my Bible say no sleep for the wicked. So I know say people like you go stay there awake. So now me the wicked now. I bring work come. That's it. That's all that matter. You want kill him? Yeah. I no want kill him. Which one be I want kill him? Why I go kill my pikin? I want use him before he use me. Community contribute money for this boy. Just 3 months ago, yesterday, the boy come back house, begin carry money they give me. I want use him before he use me. I want use him before he use me. Put him here. Hi, Ngelawe, the son of Ofungo from the lineage of Umpiu. No be Yahoo this boy they do. The money wanna contribute for him.
He was told how his son got commercial vehicles through Ijawele. They managed it and he earned via hire purchase.
Now then find the driver, now then buy the vehicle, now then they manage them for him. Now he don't they earn money through them. Ijawele. I don't take my picking, eh? Come on, get it behind me, devil.
Your papa.
And you that actually went to the
Only God
devil,
knows
who
what
are
he's
you?
doing with his phone.
Aren't you a big devil?
I'm sure he's looking at those girls with big nyash there.
Omo, I can't believe I found this app Bible chat that puts Bible verse on your main screen. Omo, and you also get to add it to your lock screen or as widgets. Omo, this thing makes sense. So now I can be closer to God. She make a carry my over too. I be straight swing.
God have mercy upon us.
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est un autre jour. Ici, c'est un autre jour.
Intensity of the matches here tonight, and I expect the same thing is going to happen in this four-quarter match.
Let me tell you something, Gene Oken. You out here talking about a clique. The only clique you need to know about is the Harlem Heat and Sister Sherry. See, because what you dealing with here is the brotherhood. It's non-stop from this point on in WCW. We take what we want, and after we take Lex Luger and the Giant, we want the gold, sucker. Hulk Hogan, we coming for you, nigga.
I should point out for the record, Stevie Ray, look at this. Take a look.
Hey, stop there. Somewhere. How far now? Adeo. No worry. We'll see later. Yeah, we'll catch. Yeah.
Otilo is gone.
Blood of Jesus. So now this ain't work me and this guy they do.
After you left it, then you discovered that he stole your money. You're not smart now.
Hey, no worry, get here, food they come.
You will bring food here.
Food, get here. Afana,
Well, mama. Oh, I'm not going to late.
How far, boss? I don't see light finish, oh. Sharp.
Kasongo, yeah.
A few moments later.
Like Bona just call this like tired. This morning like Bona is tired.
It be like the food don't they come, eh? I will have to leave. Maybe next time I come back, huh? Yes! Dissolve! You don't leave until she comes.
Jesus.
I lie. I better give me food, make I call her, make she come.
This one don't have one big chance. A very big chance. Just hey, that is always putting you in big trouble.
My neighbor, please come so that I can leave. Make you not be waiting for the thing that happen here. I'm not under arrest. You use me to collect cana. Jesus! Collateral for cana.
That is the way she always puts in very big
Look, you look like we're a couple. You are joking.
Yes, couple of friends. Emotional, damn it.
Acting like
See the woman. If you not see the woman,
this man
that US. Emotional, damn it. See the woman. If you not see the woman, that
no. The guy you see somebody that will come and carry it.
US. Emotional, damn it.
my god. Thank you guys. I believe you enjoyed this wonderful comedy compilation. We've actually come to the end. That's the end of the comedy video. So guys, please don't forget to go. Please kindly subscribe. If you enjoyed this comedy compilation video, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And make sure you turn on that bell notification. That bell notification, that notification bell is a means for you to get alerted whenever I will post a new video. So you don't need to start, checking us every time to know if we have actually posted any video. You can just be relaxing. If you turn on the post notification bell, you can just be relaxing. Before you know it, if we post a video, you're just going to be the first person to get the alert. So that is why it is very important for you to turn on the bell. All right guys, what is your favorite moment in this comedy compilation? And please don't forget to like, please don't forget to comment, give your thoughts, give your perception, give that throwback, give that funny moment, funny scenes that treat you the most in the comment box below. And you have to keep the comment section respectful. Alright guys, let's see what is happening on this funny comedy compilation. Like, as for me, I really love nduka. There are many Igbo men like that. Many of them are like that. They just want to involve themselves in different work, selling different work, doing different things. They just want to involve themselves in different areas of specialties, like nduka, only you. Chemist man, okreka man, TV seller, motorbike seller, everything you must be the one doing it. You won't die for stress. This is very, 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 very stressful, and you can only find that in Onitsha. Onitsha people, they love to do work like that. They really love it too. You can't challenge them with that, honestly. Yeah, you can challenge them with that. So I believe all the comedy compilation you find very interesting. So guys, without further ado, we're going to see you guys in our next comedy compilation video. Have a wonderful time and peace out.